munhu wemurume haafaniri kuomberera sadza raasina kutenga pamba pake kana uchitochengetwa nemukadzi izvezvi uri stupid. ndokutaurira enda kubasa enda unotengesa pusha chingoro kutengesa mabhanana so wodikitira kana mango kana maremani chao maremani ari kutengwa mutaundi muno ini maremani ukatondigira totenga tonesa kuti wabikirwa usadza neupfu watenga iwewe wagara pasofa kana pachituru chako.
Myself, I do agree with Apostle Chiwenga on this case because you see, you end up thinking you are being disrespected. But honestly speaking, as a man, you are supposed to be providing. And when it comes to a situation where you are no longer being respected as the father or as the head of the house because you are not contributing anything, you need to reflect and you need to accept that. But there are circumstances in my own view. Maybe you are employed, but you are temporarily not employed, or you are injured, or you are disabled, or you are not able to do so because you are sick. Those are circumstances which are understandable, where if a woman is capable and she is doing something, she needs to cover up that role up until you are back to your feet. So you'd see I have seen some men they've never worked they've never worked hard jobs, and when they lose their soft jobs they sit at home whilst they are still looking for other soft jobs. That's circumstance. I believe that you need to be going out, doing something, do a few things. Don't be at home the whole day. Just do a few things up until you are back on your feet. So this is what I believe, and I don't know, do you agree with Apostle Chiwenga on what he said? And what are your views in the comment section? Please tell me your real views about this story. So before you leave here, please like, please comment, and also don't forget to share. If you haven't subscribed, leave a subscription. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for the support.